So I'm going to be going over the muscles you need to know for the muscular system. The depressor anguli oris muscle is attached to the lower jaw, and it's responsible for pulling the angle of the mouth downward like frowning. The corrugator supercilii is a small, narrow pyramidal muscle close to the eye, and it's located at the medial end of the eyebrow. The zygomaticus is a muscle that controls your facial expressions, like drawing the mouth's angle upward or outward. The buccinator is a muscle that forms the anterior part of the cheek or the lateral wall of the oral cavity. The masseter is the main function of the masseter muscle is to help a person bite down or chew. The orbicularis oris is a complex of muscles in the lips that encircles the mouth. The frontalis is a muscle that extends down the forehead and blends in with the muscles of the eyes and nose. The temporalis is involved in raising and lowering the jaw. Its main function is to allow the jaw to move to side or to bite down on anything needed. The biceps brachii is a skeletal muscle that is involved in the movement of the elbow and shoulder. The deltoid. There are three types of deltoid muscle. There's anterior, which attaches at the collarbone and allows you to flex your shoulder joint and rotate the shoulder inward. The middle attaches to the shoulder blade and allows you to abduct your arm. And the posterior attaches to your shoulder blade and allows you to extend and laterally rotate your arm. The external oblique, and they assist in contracting the abdomen by twisting to the left to right and bending to the side. They're responsible for the movement of the trunk, spine, and core. The rectus abdominis, it's also known as abs, and its main function is to allow a person to be able to bend over to pick something up or when they perform a crunch. A trapezius is the muscle on your upper back and neck, and it's used to tilt and turn the head, neck, shrug, sway the shoulders, and twist the arms. The triceps brachii is a large muscle on the back of the upper limb of many vertebrates. The latissimus dorsi is the largest muscle in the upper body. This muscle's primary function is to allow the human body to move around, standing upward or bending over, moving from side to side, or any movement possible in the upper region. The gluteus maximus is located in the buttocks and is regarded as one of the strongest muscles in the human body. The biceps femoris is the muscle located right to the posterior. Gastrocnemius. It's a superficial two-headed muscle that is in the back part of your lower leg. The sartorius is the longest muscle in the human body. It's a long, thin, superficial muscle that runs down the length of the thigh and in the anterior compartment. Quadriceps. This is a group of muscles located in the front of the thigh. Pectoralis major is the most superficial muscle in the pectoral region. It's large and fan-shaped. The tibialis anterior is used to flex the foot in an upward direction at the angle and also to extend the toes. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle, and it's the principal muscle of respiration. A hernia occurs when an organ pushes through an opening in the muscle or tissue that holds it in place. And many hernias occur in the abdomen between your chest and hips, but they also appear in your upper thigh and groin areas.